Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to the Luck Mama's kitchen. It has been a while. Today I want to cook African meal, that is ugali with chicken fillet. This is chicken fillet and the lettuce romaine salad. So I'm going to boil this chicken fillet. So what I need after boiling, I'll just use the ingredients available. So this is my ginger, and this is my green pepper, this is my tomato, this is my onion, and this is dhania. So I'll be very happy if you join me in cooking today. I want to show you the African dish, what you can use, what you can eat together with this chicken fillet, that is called ugali. Ugali is staple food, especially for Kenyans, that they eat. So welcome and watch the video till the end. So first I need to cut this chicken fillet into small pieces. I'm done, so I'll just put it here and wash it. Then I'll just put it in this fire to boil. Not too much, but a little. I will show you everything. Okay, I'll just wash it. After washing it, I'll just take this silver. This is my spray. I'll just put it. I'm not going to put water because I've already washed and it has some water inside. So I'll just put it on the fire to boil. Now I'll just put it in the water. So what I'll do is just okay, now I can come and cut my ingredients here. Okay, now I can cut my. Now I can cut the ingredients. You have to wash them before cutting. So I've already washed. ugali. Now we are done. Let's see whether our chicken now is ready. I've already finished cutting all the ingredients required. This is how exactly it looks after boiling. So what you need to do, come with a little oil, add, okay, then add this. Then I have turmeric, then I add ginger. This is ginger, spicy, add, you can add tomato paste. Okay, this is tomato paste. Then salt, not too much salt, just little for health purpose. So after this, now cover and wait for 10 minutes at low heat. This is my low heat. Yeah, we will see after 10 minutes how they will look like. You might be worried where I took the onion. It's here. This one will be the last one because it doesn't need to be overcooked. So just cut it and keep it standby. So it's here. Let's wait. After 10 minutes we see. After it is fully cooked, I will add this lamia and a spoon of cheese to it. We shall see. Now we can go and cook ugali. Before we cook ugali, I have to cut salad. This is romaine lettuce. This is a dish salad, so I want to cut a little bit so that I can use it after cooking ugali, so that I can use it together with my boiled chicken fillet. So I need a little of it. You take this. I just want a little. You can use spinach if you can't use the romaine lettuce. So this one, I have to wash it first before I cut it. Okay, let me wash it here at the sink. Okay. I'll just cut it and put standby. This is a dish salad. It's called lettuce, romaine lettuce. I'll just keep it. After now 10 minutes, this is how it looks. make it like that now. I can mix it completely and see the result. This is exactly how it looks after mixing. So this is the right time to put my dhania. I just mix and place the pot. It's already done. Yeah, now it's ready. We want to put ugali, then we serve fillet. So I've cleared the pot. Let it be stand by until we finish cooking our ugali. And for me to cook ugali, I only need this wooden cooking stick, and in my country we call it muiko. And I need maize flour. This is my yellow maize flour, and water. This is the only things I need to cook ugali. So I just put it on fire. This water I had to boil. Then you see how I cook it. This is exactly how water is supposed to boil. So after it has boiled to this point, just put so much. This is flour, not too much. You have to put a little bit. You stir, and then you wait for it to boil again. Don't put a whole of it. You have to put a little bit first. See, now it's thick. Now when it's boiling while thick, you can add. Don't add too much together, just add little by little. Let me put my phone somewhere so that you can see how I just cook it. So when you want to know it's ready, you just do like this. After you just mix it, cook it, you have to turn it like this. If it doesn't stick on the walls of this souffle, then it means it's ready. Okay, it's ready now. I need to put it to a plate. It's too hot. This is normal ugali, very hot. do you think? Oh, this is exactly the end product. What do you think? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen tips. See you next time. May God bless you so much.